just... Steve, can you let me in? There's another tornado. It's been 2 months now. Okay. There is another tornado. We better make sure we get ready. Ugh, not another one. Yeah, another one. What was that? I think that was a creeper. Let me just check the window. Oh my gosh! James, what are you doing? Steve, what are you doing? Hide from the creeper in the window. There is no... Oh my gosh, we gotta get in here. I can't fit. We can't fit. Can't even fit. Okay, it doesn't matter. Hide here. Close the door. James, you can't do that. I did it by accident. Close it. Alright, hide here. I heard an ocelot. It should be gone now. Good. Okay. OMG, it's here. That was quick. What? Oh, we gotta think of something to do before it comes. Oh my god, I need to get out of here. Steve! Oh god, no! Oh god, no! Steve, hold on! James, are you alright? Fine. I just gotta breathe. Oh, move it for you. Alright. Everything's fine. You're gonna turn out good in the end. Yeah, except for your house and I'm my body. But seriously, get me here and get me some medicine and now. Okay, what should we do? First we need to... Oh wait, I can get... Alright, now let's rebuild your house. Careful. Put the door here, brilliant. Oh, that was quick. Yeah, no, I think I'll just head. Okay, goodbye. Right, where was that newspaper I was going to get? Oh yeah, it was in here. Where was that newspaper I was gonna get? There's no one is in here. Guys. Oh my god.